So panoorin natin 'to mga kababayan 'no. Kitty Duterte dumalaw sa kanyang ama sa ICC. So ano kaya ang ibabalita ni Kitty Duterte 'no? So ito na mga kababayan, pakinggan natin ang buong ulat dito sa channel ni Alvin Dave Sarsate kay Alvin in Tourism. So ito na po mga kababayan.
Hello, Veronica Kitty Duterte, mayang
Hello.
hapon. How are you today?
I am okay. I just arrived at 6 a.m. this morning. Then I had my visit, which just finished minutes ago, just now. So
Welcome back to the Netherlands, Kit.
thank you.
We are happy that you're back here as well. Kit, how was your flight?
Long, as usual. And long and stressful. Kay arte baya ko no. Ang akong maleta, tulo ka buok. And especially with my winter clothes. So, tulo ka buok. Ako tigbit-bit tanan. Okay lang. Mas kulado man ta.
Kit, what was your reaction seeing your father after such a long time?
Actually I'm not gonna lie. You've probably never seen me cry in public. Pero dito, nihilak yun ko. Because I haven't seen him for I think 2 months since October. And then since, as you know already, I'm sick. I have the flu, cough and cold. So wala na ko nag-kiss sa iyang well, maybe once. But dili jud ko sa iyang tiyan nga nag-snuggle because of course, no, our priority is his health. And dili na to gusto nga mahawa siya. So,
Kit, is it possible for you to share with us lang na what was his reaction seeing you?
surprise siya, of course. When I go there, good, pag makita na ako siya, masyagit ko, Papa Rudy! So I shouted, and then, nidako yung mata. He looked very surprised, but also happy. And then, he told me I look beautiful. But we can't talk much in the corridor, so we had to talk inside the designated area. Good. So we talked there, and then ba yung reaction? He was looking me up and down, observe mo sa bago sa ako. At first, he noticed his ring that I wear. Mao ni iyang college ring. It's his favorite ring ever, because he is very proud that he is a lawyer. So mao to niya. This is his favorite ring yun. Then he noticed I was wearing it. So ang joke niya na, gwapo kag sing-sing imuha na. Then kato, we laughed. And sunod niya nga pansin akong buhok kay nagpa-straight kog buhok. Kulot man ni duha. His hair right now is naka-bonnet siya, and then since his hair quite long na gyud, so it's showing ba. So it is showing na gyud sa bonnet, so kulot-kulot niya. So he was quite sad nga nagpa-straight ko kay, like you already know, he does appreciate when he sees his features on us, his children. He likes it that way. So ingon ko na, okay, treatment lang man, keratin lang man balik ka ni. So mato, ayun, he looked very happy, very surprised, and also very, I really saw the look of longing in his eyes. And then, like I said again, inevitably, I cried yun. Nagluhod ko dito sa, diri ko nigako sa iyang tiyan. And then he said na, he doesn't regret having a daughter like me.
Kit, we assume that you are going to spend Christmas with the former president. And are you going to be alone or with Mira?
I am going to be with our family, with both my mother and with Mira. We're gonna spend the holidays here. Just so, even though we can't be there on the days good, Christmas and New Year, just so he knows we're close. And just so I'm not really sure when the visits resume, but when they do, bisita namin tayo.
So you don't have scheduled visits on the Christmas day itself?
No.
Because the Netherlands, we have 2 Christmas, 25 and 26 as well. So, wala pa for now.
Wala yung kuan diri, Noche Buena, Christmas Eve.
Wala. Yeah, Kit, just a little bit political lang. What is your opinion about all the attacks hurled towards all of your family members right now?
I mean, me, no, I've I've never even defended myself against any allegation before. So, with regards to the attacks against my family pod, wala. Basag, I mean, it's always gonna be there, especially with my sister. Whether they admit it or not, she's the biggest threat to them. So, not in a bad way, pero just because kuha niya ang tao, and because the public knows that she's genuine about it, and that she really has the heart to serve. It's gonna be there, and wala, I think we're all secured with ourselves. We're confident enough to know na we're just really serving them for now. They're just really serving. So, I have nothing to defend.
Okay. Is there any question from everyone? Wala na ba? Kit, just to conclude the very short interview, is there something you want to tell the Filipino supporters of the Duterte family in general?
Okay, wait. How many months na?
9 months, more than 9 months
More
already.
than 9. Okay. So to all the supporters of the whole family, it's been 9 months with you all, more than 9 months. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to you all. Thank you for being here. Thank you for showing up every time. Thank you for not giving up on us, especially on him. And thank you for the collective prayer, because I know that you're praying for him. I see all these messages. I see all these support from the people, and sometimes the supporters, they approach me in person and they just tell me that we're praying for your family. So I just want to thank you, and I just want you all to know that we're here. We're always gonna be here. You know that not just during election time. We're here all throughout, and we're not perfect, but we're true. So thank you.
Kitty, on behalf of the entire supporters of Filipino community in the Netherlands, we wish you, your mom, Mira, and the entire Duterte family a Merry Christmas and a prosperous
Merry
New Year.
Christmas. Happy New Year to you all. Happy holidays.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So ayun mga kababayan, ano hong masasabi nyo dito sa mensahe ni Kitty Duterte, no? So sa kalagayan din ni former President Duterte. So pag-pray nyo po na wait lang. Pag-pray nyo sana na makalaya na no si former President Duterte at makauwi na ng Pilipinas. So sa mga nangyayari ngayon sa sa ICC, kinakarma na mga kababayan, no, kung ano-anong mga nangyayari, at ayan, nagbigay ng sanction itong Amerika. Itong Russia naman gusto nang damputin, no, at kinasuhan itong mga ICC judges, at wanted na ho sila sa Russia, sa korte ng Russia sa Moscow, at hindi na sila pwedeng bumiyahe-biyahe doon, dahil pag bumiyahe sila, yayariin sila ng Russia mga kababayan. Talagang matindi itong Russia, no, matapang, mga powerful leader, mga powerful na bansa na talagang hindi magpapaapi kanino man, lalo na dito sa ICC, dahil sabi nga nila mayroon silang sariling batas at hindi sila magpapasakop sa batas ng ICC. So yun po yung parang gustong mensahe ng bansang Russia. Sa Amerika naman, matindi din ang ginawa, no, dahil nagbigay nga po itong Amerika ng sanction dito sa mga judges ng ICC. So yung mga ilang judges ng ICC ay na-freeze na yung bank accounts, tapos yung mga anak naman, matindi rin po ang nangyari. Nagkaroon po ng pagkansela ng mga visa ng kanilang mga anak, pati sa kanila din mga kababayan, no. Kaya nakakatakot yung nangyari sa kanila dahil siguro sa kanila ding pagiging, kumbaga, masakim mga kababayan, no, yung bang Hindi nila iniisip yung mga nararamdaman ng iba. Katulad na lamang ni former President Duterte. Matanda na mga kababayan pero parang baliwala lang sa kanila, no? Kaya buti lang din yung nangyari siguro sa kanila. So mag-comment kayo mga kababayan, mag-like at mag-share sa mensahe ni Kitty Duterte dito no sa The Hague, Netherlands. At sa mga bagong pasok dyan, pa-subscribe din po ng ating channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.